Hello again, everybody. I'm Wilfie here at Boulder City. I'm still about an hour and a half away from my parents. I was complaining earlier about the traffic being slow, some guy doing 40, and that's sounding really good right now. As you can see, we're just blazing along. I'm not entirely sure what's wrong. I'm looking up ahead, and all I see is a line of cars. It could be a merging problem because, oh, yeah, the lane's ending up here, but it's still slow even up there past everybody who's merging. So it probably means there's been a wreck up approaching the Hoover Dam. Huzzah. Well, you know where I'll be for the next goddamn hour. Oh well. By the time I'm through with this video will have uploaded. I'm on Edge instead of 3G. I'll check in with you guys later. Bye.